Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Continuing logarithm, I have brought some problems to this lecture number 3. So let's start. Find the value of log 1728 base 2 root 3. So I have already told you log base ax is equal to what? Y. Then a to the power y equal to x. So what is the value of logarithm? The value of logarithm is a number. Let that number be x. Log 1728 base 2 root 3 equal to, take it x, implies that 2 root 3 raised to the power x equal to 1728, implies that 2 root 3 to the power x equal to, just break 1728, 1728 to 8 is 16, 2 6 are 12, 2 4 8, 2 4 is 8, 2 3 is 6, 2 2 4 into the 4, 2 1 is 2, 2 6 is 12, 2 1 0, 2 3 is 6, 2 8 is 16, 2 2 4 is 8, and 2 this is 27, again 27, 3 9 is 3 3 is. So 1728 can be written as 2 to the power 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 and 3 to the power 3. That means 2 to the power 6 and root 3 to the power 6, because 3 to the power 1 by 2 6 by 2. Okay, so 2 root 3 to the power 6 implies that x equal to 6. This is the answer. So come to the next question. Question number 2. In question number 2, prove that 2 by 5 less than log 3 base 10 less than 1 by 2. So log 3 base 10 is greater than 2 by 5. Whether it is true or false, we'll check. 3 greater than 10 to the power 2 by 5. You know, log x base a is greater than y, then x greater than a to the power y. Okay, if base a is greater than 1, then this formula we can write. If base a is in between 0 to 1, then the inequality changes. Now, taking fifth power, both the sides, 10 to the power 2. So 3 to the power 5 is 81 into 3, 243. 243 greater than 100. It is true. It is true. Now next is equation number 1, and log 3 base 10. Log 3 base 10 is less than 1 by 2. That means 3 less than 10 to the power 1 by 2. So squaring on both the sides implies that 3 square is less than 10. This square is 9, 9 less than 10. Question number 2. It is also true. It is also true. So 2 by 5 less than log 3 base 10 less than 1 by 2. So next problem. Question number 3. In question number 3, arrange log 5 base 2, log 5 base 0.5, log 5 base 7, log 5 base 3 in decreasing order. Okay, so log 5 base 2 and log 5 base 7, compare these two. Which is greater? Log 5 base 2 means the number raised to the base 2 means 2's power. So 2's power is, suppose x equal to 5, and here 7 to the power x equal to 5. So in first case and in second case, which is greater? 2 to the power x, second one y, just take y. So 2 to the power x equal to 5, 7 to the power y equal to 5. So which is greater? X value will be greater. X value will be greater. So log 5 base 2, here x value is greater than y. So log 5 base 2 is greater than log 5 base 7. This means we can write log 5 base 2 is greater than log 5 base 3, and log 5 base is greater than log 5 base 7. Why? Because log 5 base 2 is greater than log 5 base 7, and log 5 base 3 is in the middle. Now this is the one series, and second one is log 5 base 0.5. Log 5 base 0.5 means 1 by 2. Suppose this is x, 1 by 2 to the power x equal to 5. That means x must be negative. The value of log 5 base 0.5 must be negative. So this is the lowest value. So we can write greater than log 5 base 0.5. So largest value is log 5 base 2, then log 5 base 3, then log 5 base 7, and the least value is log 5 base 0.5 because it is negative. So this question done. So now come to question number 4. In question number 4, prove that the number logs and base 2 is an irrational number. So for this, just take log 7 base 2 is rational. Let us take this is a rational number, and p by q is the rational number, make q not equal to 0. So you can write 2 to the power p by q equal to 7, and taking q power on both the sides, 2 to the power p by q to the power q equal to 7 to the power q implies that 2 to the power p equal to 7 to the power q. But p और q का ऐसा कोई वैल्यू नहीं है, कोई इंटीजर नहीं है. There is no integer. There is no integer for which there is no integer for p comma q for which 2 to the p equal to 7 to the power q. So जो हम लोग लिए थे ये रेशनल नंबर है. लेट अस टेक रेशनल नंबर. तो ये रेशनल नहीं है, क्या इरेशनल नंबर. सो log 7 base 2 is an irrational number. So this question done. Question number 5. Now come to question number 5. Which of the following numbers are positive or negative? First bit, log 7 base 2 is equal to, let us take x. That means 2 to the power x equal to 7. That means 2 to the power 1, 2, 2 to the power 2, 4, 2 to the 3, 8. So the x must be negative. X must be positive, not negative. This is positive. And bit 2, log 3 base 0.2 equal, let it be x. So 0.2 to the power x equal to 3. So here also x must be negative. Why must be negative? Because 0.2, it is fractional. 1 by 5 to the power x. 1 by 5 to the power x equal to 3. That means the x value must be negative. to get a number 3. Now next is log 1 by 5 base 1 by 3 equal to 1 by 3 implies that this is equal to take x. So 1 by 3 to the power x equal to 1 by 5 implies that 3 to the power x equal to 5. So 3 to the power 1 is 3, 3 to the power 2 is 9. So x must be positive so that we get 5. Bit 4. Log 3 base 4. Log 3 base 4 equal to, let us take it x. So 4 to the power x equal to 3. 4 to the power x equal to 3. So what is the value of x? X must be positive. So your answer is positive. Okay. And bit 4. Fourth bit is log base 2, log 9 base 2. Let us take it x implies that 2 to the power x. फर्स्ट वाला जो log है उसके नीचे में जो 2 है उसका पावर x इक्वल टू log 9 बेस 2. फिर इससे अगर करेंगे तो 2 टू द पावर, ये जो 2 है यहाँ पर राइट हैंड साइड में log बेस 2, दैट्स पावर द लेफ्ट हैंड साइड 2 टू द पावर x इक्वल टू 9. So in order to get 9, the x must be positive. So question done. Now come to question number 6. If x into y plus z minus x divided by log x base a equal to y into z plus x minus y divided by log y base a equal to z into x plus y minus z by log z base a, then prove that x to the power y into y to the power x equal to z to the power y into y to the power z equal to x to the z into z to the power x. So I have to prove this. So now, guys, just take this as these ratios as equal to k. Now, okay, now compare this first one with k, and you will see log x base a equal to log x base a equal to x into y plus z minus x divided by k. Similarly, log y base a equal to y into z plus x minus y divided by k. Similarly, log z base a equal to z into x plus y minus z divided by log z base a implies that from all this we get x equal to a to the power x into y plus z minus x divided by k, and y equal to a to the power y into z plus x minus y divided by k, and z equal to a to the power z into x plus y minus z divided by k. So now x to the power y into y to the power x is equal to what? X means what? This one, a to the power x into y plus z minus x divided by k whole to the power y into y to the power x means a to the power y into z plus x minus y divided by k to the power x. So the first part is this equal to, you can see a to the power xy, this y multiplied with xy into y plus z minus x divided by k into a to the power ओके, एक्स वाई इंटू जेड प्लस एक्स माइनस वाई, जेड प्लस एक्स जेड प्लस एक्स minus y divided by k. Now add them, a to the power, the powers are added, x y square plus xyz minus x square y, फिर इसके साथ ये प्लस हो जाएगा एक्स वाई इंटू जेड प्लस एक्स वाई जेड प्लस एक्स स्क्वायर वाई माइनस एक्स वाई स्क्वायर, और एलसीएम इसके एक्स वाई स्क्वायर कैंसिल, माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस एक्स स्क्वायर कैंसिल, सो a to the power 2xyz divided by k. Similarly, you'll check z to the power y और y to the power z, आप लोग देखोगे यहाँ पे भी वही आएगा, a to the power 2xyz divided by k, and x to the power z into z to the power x is equal to also a to the power 2xyz divided by k. So this all, this first part, second part, and this third part is equal to a to the power 2xyz divided by k. So question number 6 completed. Now we have proved this. Question number 7. In question number 7, suppose x comma y comma z belong greater than 0 and are not equal to 1, and log x plus log y plus log z equal to 0, and the value of x to the power 1 by log y plus 1 by log z into y to the power 1 by log z plus 1 by log x into 1 by log x plus 1 by log y. Each best 10. जहां जहां log है सबका बेस में 10 है, तो जो भी दिया गया इसका वैल्यू फाइंड करने के लिए इसको हम लोग ले लेंगे k. तो log k इक्वल टू व्हाट, log k मतलब सब में log लग जाएगा और मल्टीप्लिकेशन के लिए प्लस, सो log x to the power 1 by log y plus 1 by log z, फिर प्लस log y to the power 1 by log z plus 1 by log x, log k equal to log of this total, so log of first one plus log of second one plus log of third one also, 1 by log x plus 1 by log 1. Now log के चलते सब प्लस हो गया इक्वल, और log का बेस में क्या है 10 है, तो सबका बेस में 10 ही है. तो अब देखो ये जो 1 by log x plus 1 by log y है ये पावर में है, here also it is in the power, it is also in the exponent, so ये पावर लेफ्ट में आ जाएगा, तो 1 by log x plus 1 by log y लेफ्ट में आ जाएगा और आके सॉल्व भी थोड़ा हो जाएगा, log z plus log y डिवाइडेड बाई log y into log z, ये पावर लेफ्ट में आ गया into log x. Similarly here also log x plus log z, log x plus log z divided by log z into log x whole into log y plus log x plus log y, log x plus log y divided by log x into log y whole into log z. Then next step, log z plus log y is equal to what? Log z plus log y equal to minus log x. Here given log x plus log y plus log z equal to 0. तो log x plus log z रखो, राइट में log x को ले जाओ तो minus log x. तो ये minus log x into log x minus log x square minus log x का square divided by log y into log z, फिर माइनस log y का भी स्क्वायर इसी तरह से हो जाएगा डिवाइडेड बाय log x into log z, फिर माइनस log z होल स्क्वायर डिवाइडेड बाय log x into log y. After that, log x, log y, log z, you just take LCM. Log x into log y into log z. Now, in first numerator, minus log x whole cube minus log y whole cube will be, and minus log z will be there. So, minus take common, here whole cube, here also whole cube. So, minus take common, a cube plus b cube plus c cube. सपोज मान लिया कि log x को a ले लिया और log y को b और log z को c, तो कैसे दिख जाएगा, a क्यूब प्लस b क्यूब प्लस c क्यूब एंड log x प्लस log y प्लस log z भी वो तो जीरो है, मींस a प्लस b प्लस c इक्वल टू जीरो. सो a क्यूब प्लस b क्यूब प्लस c क्यूब एंड then denominator is a b c. सो क्या हो जाएगा यहाँ पे, माइनस a क्यूब प्लस b क्यूब प्लस c क्यूब को, तो a क्यूब प्लस b क्यूब प्लस c क्यूब माइनस 3abc का फॉर्मूला पुट करेंगे, फिर प्लस 3abc पे लिख दो, डिवाइडेड बाय abc इक्वल टू माइनस a क्यूब प्लस b क्यूब प्लस c क्यूब माइनस 3abc का फॉर्मूला a प्लस b प्लस c इंटू स्क्वायर प्लस b स्क्वायर प्लस c स्क्वायर माइनस ab माइनस bc माइनस ca प्लस 3abc डिवाइडेड बाय abc और a प्लस b प्लस c इज जीरो, तो माइनस ये तो हो गया जीरो, so 3abc minus 3abc and it denote this abc cancels, so minus 3, and this is the answer. This is the answer. No, log k is this, log k means log base 10k is minus 3, so k equal to what, k equal to 10 to the power minus 3. 10 to the power minus 3 means 1 by 1000 or 10 to the power minus 3 is the answer. And k is what? K is the question. We have taken the question k. You can see here you have taken the whole question is k. So k is 1 by 10 to the 3 or 10,000. 1 by 10,000. 1 by 1000. Okay, 2 into 25 to the power x. तो इससे कैसे करेंगे सॉल्व, 2 into 5 to the power 2x minus 5 into 10 मतलब 5 into 2, so 5 to the power x into 2 to the power x plus 2 into 2 to the power 2x greater than or equal to 0 implies that 2 to the power 2x minus 5 into 5 by 2 to the power x plus 2 into ये 2 to the 2x को बोथ साइड में डिवाइड किया, ओके, सो ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू 0. अब ये किस तरह से इक्वेशन देख रहे हैं, 2x स्क्वायर माइनस 5x प्लस 2 ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू 0. अब इसको मिडिल टर्म फैक्टराइजेशन करो, या x का वैल्यू माइनस b प्लस माइनस रूट ओवर b स्क्वायर minus 4ac plus 16 by 2a into 2. So 5 plus minus 9 means 3 by 4. 5 minus 3, 2 by 4, that is 1 by 2. And 5 plus 3, 8 by 4, that is 2. So इसे हम लोग कैसे लिख सकते हैं, फाइव by 2 to the power x minus 1 by 2 into 5 by 2 to the power x जो है वही तो वेरिएबल है, फिर -2 greater than equal to 0. So this means 5 by 2 less than 5 by 2 to the power x less than 1 by 2 and 5 by 2 to the power x greater than equal to 2. जो स्मॉलर वैल्यू है उससे भी कम और जो बिगर वैल्यू है उससे भी ज्यादा, or since 5 by 2 is a value which is greater than 1, so simply we can write x less than equal to log 5 by 2 1 by 2. Means 5 by 2 is 2, 5 by 2 is 2.5, implies that x less than equal to log 1 by 2.5. And here देखो, here 5 to the power x है, so here x equal to what, x को लेफ्ट में रहने दिया और ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू log 2 base 5 by 2 means 2.5. So finally implies that बस यही दोनों कंबाइन करके लिख देना है. This is the answer. This is the answer. This question done. Log 11 equal to 1.0414. Prove that 10 to the power 11. So log 10 to the power 11 का वैल्यू क्या है? 11 log 10. 11 log 10 means 11. This is equation number 1. Now log right hand side में जो 11 to the power 10 है उसे क्या हो जाएगा? 10 log 11 means 10 into log 11 is what? 1.0414. तो 10.414 1 डेसिमल एक डिजिट के बाद आ जाएगा. सो दिस क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. सो 1 और 2 से हम लोग देख सकते हैं ये जो 11 है राइट हैंड साइड वैल्यू इज ग्रेटर देन 10 to the power 414. दैट मींस log 10 to the power 11 is greater than log 11 to the power 10. दैट मींस log आप हटा दिया तो 10 to the 11 is greater than 11 to the 10. Okay, this is question number 10. Question number 9. So question number 10 is, now come to question number 10. In question number 10, the expression log 5 base 2 minus summation k equal to 1 to 4 log base 2 sin k pi by 5 reduces to p by q, where p and q are co-prime. Then the value of p square plus q square is, 4 options are given, 13, 17, 26, 29. So देखो जो expression दिया है log 5 base 2 minus summation means addition log base 2 sin k pi means pi by 5, क्योंकि k की जगह पर 1 पुट कर लो, फिर प्लस log base 2 sin, अब k की जगह 2 पुट कर दो, 2 pi by 5 प्लस log base 2 sin 3 pi by 5 plus log base 2 4 pi by 5. So in place of k, just put 1, 2, 3, 4 and sum equal to log base 2 5 minus log base 2, अब ये सारा एडिशन इधर इंटू हो जाएगा, sin pi by 5 into 2 pi by 5. नो साइन तो रहेगा, log x प्लस log y का वैल्यू होता है log x इंटू log y. log x प्लस y फॉर्मूला इज log x प्लस log y इज log xy. ठीक है, ये फॉर्मूला यहाँ पे अप्लाई कर लेंगे. 2 pi by 5 into sin 3 pi by 5 into sin, here sin is there, sin 4 pi by 5. सबका बेस में 2 है. ठीक है, सबका बेस में 2 नहीं है, बेस तो एक ही है 2 यहाँ, और साइन 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 4 आ गया, फिर लॉग बेस 5 बेस 2 5 इक्वल टू लॉग बेस 2 साइन पाई 5 साइन 2 बाई साइन पाई 5 जितना होता है साइन 4 पाई उतना ही है, फिर साइन 4 पाई बाई 5 हम लिख सकते हैं साइन पाई माइनस पाई बाई 5. तो साइन पाई माइनस थीटा इज व्हाट, sin theta. So sin 4 pi by 5 equal to sin pi by 5. So we can write, okay, sin square pi by 5, because sin pi by 5 is equal to sin 4 pi by 5. और sin 2 pi by 5 equal to sin 3 pi by 5. So sin square 2 pi by 5 equal to log base 2 5 minus, okay, equal to log 5 base 2 minus log base 2 sin square theta is 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2, 1 minus cos 2 pi by 5, 2 pi by 5 कितना होगा, 2 pi by 5, 2 pi by 5 means 36 into 2, pi by 5 is 36, 36 into 2 is what, 72, cos 72 degree divided by 2 into 1 minus cos 2 pi by 5 का डबल कितना हो जाएगा, 4 pi by 5, 4 pi by 5 means 36 का 4 times 144 degree, 144 degree divided by 2. Now log okay, now equal to log 5 base 2 minus log base 2 1 minus cos 75 by 2 72 degree by 2, cos 72 means sin 18 degree, sin 18 means root 5 minus 1 by 4, so 1 minus root 5 minus 1 by 4 by 2 into cos 144 means what, 180 minus 36 degree means 180 minus theta, second quadrant, and second quadrant cos is negative, so 1 plus cos 36 degree, 1 plus cos 36 degree, cos 36 degree what, root 5 plus 1 by 4, so 1 minus root 5 plus 1 by 4 all divided by 2 equal to log 5 base 2 minus log base 2, this is 4 minus minus 1, 5 minus root 5, 5 minus root 5 by 4 into 2, 8. Here 5 plus, here you can see 4 into 1, 4 minus 1. Okay. Here is this plus, okay. Because cos 144 degree क्या होगा? Cos 144 degree is cos 180 minus 36 degree. तो minus cos 36 degree. So minus cos 36 मतलब minus root 5 plus 1 by 4. तो माइनस माइनस क्या हो जाएगा, प्लस हो जाएगा, तो ये तो प्लस हो जाएगा, तो 4 plus 1 5 plus root 5 by 4 into 8. So now last log 5 base 2 log, so you want some space to write this result. Okay, no problem. So log base to 5, log 5 base 2 minus log base 2, 5 minus root 5 into 5 plus root 5, 25 minus 5, that is 20, divided by 8 into 8. So log 5 base 2 minus log base 2, 4 5 to 20, 4 2 8, 5 by 16, 5 by 16, okay, equal to log base 2, 5 divided by 5 by 16, so 5 have cancelled, so log base 2 just 16, 16 means 2 to the power 4, 4 log 2, so log 2 base 2 is 1, so answer is 4. So what is the choice? 13, 17, 26, 29. So 4 means what? 4 by 1. And in question is given that P by Q. So equal to P by Q. If P is 4 and Q is 1, so P square plus Q square equal to 4 square plus 1 square. 4 square plus 1 square equal to what? 16 plus 1, 17. So answer is bit B. So thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.